let's learn about layers, clipping mask, and Gaussian blur in Procreate. So I'm just going to draw a cute little hill scene. So I did one layer of the background color, and now I'm going to add a layer on top of that and start drawing some hills. So each hill is going to be on its own layer, and as I add a hill, I'm going to have it behind the previous one. So I'm just going in and drawing as many hills as I want. And then I want to make it look like they have a shadow behind them. So I'm going to duplicate the layer, add a layer on top, select clipping mask, and fill with the color black, and then pinch them together. And I'm just doing that again and again. Selecting the hill, duplicate, add a layer on top, clipping mask, fill it with the color black, pinch it together. And then I'm going to select each one of those black layers, and I'm going to Gaussian blur it out. So I'm selecting my magic wand and then Gaussian blur, and I drag my pencil across until it's blurred as much as I want. So select the black layer, Gaussian blur, drag your pencil. Just doing that again and again. And I'm going to do the same thing for the sun, but I did it in white so it looks like it's glowing. So now I'm going to go back and add a layer on top of each of my green hills, and I'm going to select clipping mask and overlay, and I'm going to add some texture. And I'm doing this in the color black as well. And the overlay just makes whatever color is under it, it's going to make it a little bit darker. So that's why I just did that, because it's easy. And I was using Brush and Barley's texture pack. Now I'm adding in a little sunset. So I'm just laying some color on my back layer, and I Gaussian blurred it. And did the same thing with my sun with the texture, added some white, and that's it.